I think we could see a bigger correction. The index was very extended. If you look at where the index level was relative to normal support levels of 200-day moving averages, it was like 4 standard deviation events. So there probably is room here for a further correction. It's just how much interest there could be from retail investors who are all clearly moving out of cash accounts and bonds, looking to buy equities. So they would see dips as buying opportunities. So it's a battle between getting back to a normal level and this interest from retail accounts.
Okay, so if you're talking about a further correction, let's say stateside for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, what does that mean for your position out here in Asia? Because at the moment, we're seeing the weakness follow, though, by not the same magnitude.
Yes, to be honest, I think for choice, international investors are looking to buy into Asia. So I think they would be buy on the dip investors. I think they see a market that has not performed as well as the S&P, or certainly nothing's performed as well as NASDAQ. So they've lagged, and therefore they shouldn't get beaten up on a kind of a localized tech sell-off.
Fair enough. Gary, good morning. Tanveer joining in this conversation. If you're talking about this correction getting a bit more extended, then what will be the key catalyst for that running into the next few months? And do you think it's largely linked to election risk?
I think it is. I mean, the stories you're seeing today of, China going to source more of its tech products, such as semiconductors, within its country rather than using the United States. Now, these are longer-term pictures, but at the moment, people are trying to find the negative stories to bring the index down, as opposed to a few days ago, where everything was looked at in rose-tinted glasses and everything was fine. So there is a risk of further downside, and it could be, just as you suggest, one of the sectors that gets beaten up because of the tension between China and the United States leading up to the election.